You're welcome again today to Chris Graphics tutorial, where we teach you how you can make outstanding designs with your smartphones and possibilities also that are embedded in it, and how to also make designs with your laptops or your computers. All right, today I will show you how you can change the colors of your clothes with Pixellab. Yes, Pixellab is just a wonder. It's a wonderful app that can be used for many things, and today that's just what I'm going to show you. All right, so I want to encourage you, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Now you can click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and hit the like button too. And if you have questions or comments, leave it down below as we proceed. All right, so first of all, I'm just going to move straight to the application, the Pixellab application that we're going to be using. So this is the interface. This is a pro version, a premium version, so to say. So if you don't have it, there is a video I created on how to get this version of application. So if you don't have it, I left a link below that video, to give you access to it free of charge. So you can just go to that video maybe after this and get this application and install it for yourself. All right, whether this or the one in Google Play Store, all of them still do almost the same thing. It's just that this one has more templates and some more stickers. All right, so the first thing to do, I'm just going to bring okay, let me change the background first. Let's make it black. So let's bring the image that we want to change, the background, not the background, the color of the shirts. All right, so let's come here. All right, let's use this. Okay, all right, so this is what I'm going to do. First of all, I'm going to position this at the middle, then I'm going to duplicate it and position it at the middle again. So these are two pictures now. So the next thing to do is I'm going to lock the first one, I'm going to lock the second one. So for the first one is clicked already, so I'll move to my eraser tool, and then I'm going to clean the body from the shirts. So you zoom it out. So I'm going to clean the body from the shirts. So you have to be careful when you're doing that, because if you make any mistake, it will affect the color of the other shirt that's going to be below this one will show. So you just need to be careful. All right, so for this video, you're not going to increase the feathering much. If you are going to increase at all, it will just be very little, so that we'll have a sharp edge. Because if you increase the feathering, it will allow some little transparencies along the edges. So we don't want that. So that's how we're going to leave it. So this is what we're going to do. All right, so we're going to start cleaning, and you need to just be careful. You can reduce the size, so you need to be careful. If you make mistake, click the undo button and it will take it back for you.